Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of messages not showing on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Snapchat and you will enter here in this page. Then this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.